The American widgeon, also known as the American widgeon or Anas americana, is a species of dabbling duck found in North America. These birds are known for their distinctive markings and behavior.
A bald eagle flew over and that got all ducks excited. All of a sudden, all ducks took off into the sky. It seems the four American widgeons stuck together but others flew in a random fashion. Someone told me that eagles purposely spook ducks so that they may run into each other. Male American widgeons have a striking appearance with a white crown on their heads, a green patch on the side of their face, sometimes referred to as an emerald patch, and a chestnut-colored body with white underparts. Females are generally mottled brown with a smaller, less distinct green patch on the face. These ducks are found throughout North America, with their breeding range extending across northern parts of the continent, including Alaska and Canada. During the winter, they migrate to more southern regions in the United States and Mexico. They are stopping by here in the park on their migration path. American widgeons can be found in a variety of wetland habitats, including marshes, ponds, lakes, and estuaries. They are often seen in freshwater and brackish environments. They are omnivorous and primarily feed on aquatic plants, seeds, and small invertebrates. They are dabbling ducks, which means they tip forward in the water to feed but do not dive like some other duck species. They are social birds and often form mixed flocks with other waterfowl. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. That really helps me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Till then, see you next time.